Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for software release management. First off, set up your project. Monday.com is all about boards, so start by creating a new one for your software release. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space to track all tasks and stages of our software release process. Now that we've done that, let's add columns. Columns represent different aspects of your tasks, like progress, priority, or due date. This helps us because it allows us to visualize and manage our work in a more organized manner. Next up, add tasks. Here's where you'll add each task involved in your software release. You might add tasks like code review, test cases, or deployment. The purpose of this step is to break down the software release process into manageable bits. Now let's talk about automation. With Monday.com, you can automate your workflow to save time and reduce errors. You might set up automations to move tasks between stages or to notify team members of updates. Let me explain why this matters. Automation keeps your team in sync and ensures no task is overlooked. Finally, use the dashboard feature. This provides an overview of your software release, helping you to track progress and identify bottlenecks. This is crucial because it gives you a big picture view of your entire project. So, that's how you use Monday.com for software release management. Remember, the key is to use boards, columns, tasks, automation, and dashboards to manage your process effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.